Looking for a free AI tool to animate your photos with amazing motion and no watermark? Then stick around and watch this video. Let's dive in. The tool is called Magi, and it lets you create stunning photo animations easily. It even offers a free plan, so you can start without paying anything. And if you hit the limit, just sign up again with a new email and keep going. Simple as that. Let me show you how it works. You can either search for the website on Google or just scroll down to the description. I've left the link for you there. The site is called Magi, and the link is magi.sand.ai. On the main screen of Magi, you'll see a large button in the center labeled Create New Project. This is where you start. Simply click it to begin creating a new video using the platform's AI tools. Now, if you look at the top right corner, you'll find some details about your current plan. Here, it shows I have 500 credits available, and I'm on the free plan. Each action or project usually consumes a number of credits, so this section helps you keep track of your usage. After clicking New Project, you'll see this screen. The icon on the left with the upload symbol lets you upload a file directly from your device. So if you have a video or image saved on your computer that you want to use in your project, just click here and choose the file from your device. Once you upload your image, this panel will appear on the right side. It's called Image to Video. This is where you turn your uploaded image into a short animated video using AI. In the first field, you can enter a prompt, basically a short description to guide the AI. Below that, you can set the video duration, like here it's 3 seconds. You can also select how many variations you want the AI to generate. There are 2 toggle options. Enhanced Prompt helps the AI better understand and expand on your description. High Quality gives you a more refined and detailed video output. Finally, click the Generate 30 Credits button to start creating the video. This will use 30 of your available credits. See this cat? It's driving a futuristic car like it's a scene from a movie. And believe me, this isn't a film. It's a fully AI-generated video made with a tool called Magi AI. The result? Insane visual creativity. From lighting to camera movement to incredibly fine details. Once your video is ready, just click this button to download it straight to your device. No watermarks, no hassle. Now we've finished the first scene, and we're going to generate the second scene from the same video. We'll click on this ++ and write a simple description, even if we just write the letter A. And the tool will understand that we want a continuation of the first scene. We'll also change the duration to 10 seconds to lengthen the scene. With just one click, a new part of the video will be generated. And the result? Smooth and natural movement, like it's one long scene. Look at the lighting, the movement, and the camera. Everything flows seamlessly like it's one continuous shot. That's the magic of Magi. You can create a long, cohesive scene with cinematic quality from just simple descriptions. Magi is one of the coolest tools I've used, and this is just the beginning. Try it yourself and let your creativity run wild. And as you saw, Magi AI turned a simple image into a cinematic quality video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI tools, and drop a comment if you want us to try another tool or a crazy idea.